Retreat to Four Lakes in Lisle, DuPage. Rare end unit, move-in ready, and tucked into peaceful wooded views. Enjoy a private brick patio, fresh paint, vaulted ceilings, luxury vinyl plank flooring, marble counters, updated baths, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace. Major updates include HVAC 2024, hot water heater 2020, washer/dryer 2023, refrigerator 2019, stove 2025, and dishwasher 2025. Easy main level living with kitchen, living room, half bath, laundry, furnace, and hot water tank all thoughtfully placed. Upstairs features a primary bedroom, full bath, and spacious loft with closet and view, perfect for a home office, guest space, workout area, or creative corner. Four Lakes offers a lifestyle buyers love: lakes, walking, biking, pool, tennis, sand volleyball, boating, ski hill, and pub/restaurant with live music. Close to Metra, expressways, shopping, and dining. A fresh start, an easy lifestyle, and a community with energy. Just move in and enjoy. School District 6899. Rental opportunities may exist in Four Lakes. Buyer to verify all rental rules, caps, lease requirements, and HOA restrictions.